Hi, dear children.
Today, let us learn 8th standard Sociology first chapter Introduction to Sociology. In this chapter, you learn origin, meaning, nature, scope and importance of sociology, the relationship between sociology and other social sciences, early Western sociologists, namely Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, Emily Durkheim, and Max Weber. Prominent Indian sociologist B.R. Ambedkar, G.S. Gure, M.N. Srinivas, C. Parvatamma, Iravadi Karve, A.R. Desai. The life of human being is a fascinating one. Human beings have always tried to understand the environment, nature and self-created social world since ages deeply and accurately. Human beings are different from other animals and are intellectual beings. There are a lot of differences between animals and human beings. Apparent differences in body structure and rate of growth, food consumption, creativity and evolution in brain can be noticed. The human society has evolved stage by stage. It is attempting to know more about neighboring planets with the help of advanced science and technology. Human beings are social beings. The relationship between the individual and society are unique. There is no society without individual and there is no individual without society. Since a human being is a social being, he always longs to live with other human beings. The social living is necessary for the well-being and growth. Hence, human society is called a web of social relationship. Now, let us learn the meaning of sociology. The word sociology originates from two words. They are socius and logos. In Latin language, socius means companion, and the Greek language, logos means science or study. Thus, sociology is the science of human society. According to Auguste Comte, sociology is the science of social phenomena subject to the natural and invariable laws. The discovery of which is the object of investigation. According to Max Weber, sociology is study of social behavior. In the opinion of Emily Durkheim, sociology is the science of social institutions. In generally, sociology is the study of human society. Origin of sociology. During the middle of 19th century, sociology developed as an independent and separate field of science. It became a specific science in the later 50 years. Though other social science like history, political science, economics, psychology and other have a longer history. They were recognized as social science during 18th and 19th century. This was due to the industrial and French revolutions. The intellectual stimulation provided by social and religious reform movements, Renaissance and other movements of 16th and 18th century resulted in the origin of sociology. Scope of sociology. Sociology studies the human society. It studies human social life, social relationships, social institutions and social process. Nature of sociology. Sociology has a unique place among all the social sciences. It is different from other social sciences due to its unique nature. Sociology is considered as an independent and separate field of study. The features of sociology are: sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Sociology belongs to the group of social science and not to the group of physical sciences. It studies social life and activities of human society. It also has a close relationship with other social sciences like history, political science, economics, psychology and anthropology. Sociology is a definitive study but not a directive study. Sociology studies human society as it is. It never engages in how it should be studied. It does not engage in value judgments. It aims at objective study only. Sociology remains neutral in value-based aspects. Sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. Sociology is interested in objective study that result in the formation of empirical body language only. It is not an applied science which is interested in experiments. Sociology is an intangible science and not a tangible science. Sociology is not interested in some of the tangible aspects of human life. It has interest in the form and pattern of human events. It has no interest in any specific battle or revolution like history. It considers these events as pattern and forms of social conflict and subject them to a scientific study. Sociology is a general science and not a special science. Among all the social sciences, only sociology studies the general interactions involving human beings like religion, politics and economy, moral and intellectual aspects. It has a wide scope than other social sciences. Importance of sociology. Though Sociology is the youngest science among all the social sciences. Its uses are universal. Sociology studies human society scientifically. Sociology constructs a systematic body of knowledge of human society with its scientific study. It aids progresses in other fields of human life, supplements the personality development. Human beings is mainly a social being who is often expected to get adjusted to the changing nature of society by creating holistic understanding of social structure, growth and changes, and individual responsibilities. Sociology facilitate holistic personality development. Understanding social processes. Sociology aids the proper understanding of social processes by studying the religion, traditions, culture, social rules and regulations, values and ideals of other various societies. Sociology is helpful in understanding the interrelationship of various social institutions, aids in understanding social problems and their solutions. Every society suffers from its own social problems. Our society is facing problems like crime, juvenile crime, communal clashes, alcoholism, hunger, malnutrition, caste based discrimination, unemployment, gambling, prostitution, child labor, inequality, and various other problems. A scientific study of these problems provide better insights which aids in scientific solutions. Sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs by studying human society scientifically. Sociology aids the effective implementation of development programs. The interrelationship between sociology and other social sciences. Sociology is the youngest among all the social sciences. It has its own field of study and has interrelationship with other social sciences as well. Relationship between sociology and political science. There is close relationship between sociology and political science. Political science studies the human interactions between political institutions, political life of human beings, and political institutions of human society. Sociology studies the various social institutions like social groups and social institutions that functions within the political structure. A relationship between sociology and history. Sociology and history are interrelated. History is the recreation of the life of a past society. Sociology is the recreation of a contemporary society. Sociology supports historians by providing scientific knowledge of various social institutions and their role and functions. A relationship between sociology and anthropology. The relationship between sociology and anthropology are widely recognized. The culture and social path of human beings and its history is studied by anthropology. Sociology grows independently by studying the social life holistically. It provides objective analysis of various social institutions. A relationship between sociology and psychology. Sociology and psychology are complementary to each other. Psychology studies the behavioral aspects of human beings from psychological perspectives. Sociology seeks to study the social behavior, social interactions, and functions of social institutions. A relationship between sociology and economics. Economics studies the economical activities of human beings. Sociology seeks to understand the interaction between economical and social activities of human beings. It also probes how human behavior form the economic activities. In nutshell, while analyzing the social behavior, sociology interact with other social sciences in its own way.